बेशील कड़े 15,000 खर्चू यार बैठे बैठे 15,000 का खर्चा हो गया मुझे. I did not expect this will happen. La 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 la. What's up guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs, and if you're new here make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. In this video we will talk about what is that 15,000 ka kharcha. In Kannada ಕೂತಲ್ಲೇ 15,000 ಖರ್ಚಾಗೋಯ್ತು. In Konkani ಬೆಶ್ಶಿಲ್ ಕಡೆ 15,000 ಖರ್ಚು ಮತ್ತು ಸಳಿ. We'll explain you all of this in this video. Let's begin.
देखिए यही है फ़ोन. इसको मैंने बोला था थोड़ा गंदा हो गया तो साफ़ कर दो, तो इसने वो लगता है बचपन में तो गोपी बहू का सीरियल ज़्यादा देख लिया, तो ये पानी के और रिंग और सर्फ एक्सेल डाल के दोनों चली गई. ठीक है तुम
ला 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 साथ निभाना साथिया. ये गोपी बहू की तरह मैंने इसको धो दिया गाइस. नो
ये तो सिर्फ चेक कर रही थी, लगता है ये स्विम करेगा ही नहीं. स्विम करेगा
व्हाट नो
नो टू स्विम. कितना करने के बाद ऑन हो रहा है बेचारा.
miracle miracle miracle. Yeah, it's a miracle phone. It has fallen on the road 100 times on the tarred road and still has survived all sorts of damage and is working fine. It is Samsung M30. I bought 5 years ago for about 15,000 I think back then. I've been using it, and the one which I'm shooting is iPhone 14 Pro. What happened that unfortunate day was I dropped it in a bucket of water. So we had water issues here in Bangalore. So we are asked to store water in buckets throughout the day, sometimes in the balcony. And I was using my phone. Suddenly, I don't know what happened. I dropped the phone and it fell in one full bucket of water. I was like, shit. Full force, I removed it out. And then I came and told Guruji, it fell in water. No, we wiped it fully and placed it in akki mute. In a bag of rice, and by then this guy by mistake he touched this power button. So we should have switched it off. We did that mistake. We should have switched it off. We didn't switch it off. We directly placed it in rice bag. By mistake he touched the power button. It turned on the display, so we were like, thank God it's working. But then he turned it off and placed it in the rice bag for about 3-4 hours. Then we removed it. So what happened? It's working, but its lower controls, this part of the display is not working. Like I can't touch on the phone button, the gallery, the camera is not working. And WhatsApp messages also, it's very difficult. I can't do Google Pay transactions because the pay, send, everything comes at the bottom and this part of the phone is not working. So
हाँ इसी बहाना है कुछ पैसा नहीं भेज रही है, बोल रही है कि
I owe him money, okay? I'm not paying him from quite some time now because saying Google Pay नहीं चल रहा है तो मैं कैसे भेजूं?
हाँ अभी नया फोन ले लो फिर भेजो.
नया फोन की लेने के लिए भी पैसे चाहिए तो तुम खरीद के दो. You should buy me a new phone now.
ये तो डबल खर्चा होगा.
अब बैठे बैठे मुझे 15,000 का खर्चा नहीं, तुम्हें 15,000 का खर्चा हो गया.
ಕೂತಲ್ಲ 20,000 ಖರ್ಚಾಯ್ತು.
Mr. and Mrs. Kamath reference.
Hey, why is this so slow? उदका पड़ा करता से फोन actually.
So there's a saying in Konkani called Utka Palla Manke Kartas. Utka means water. So whoever is very easygoing, not easygoing, very lazily doing his work, not at all interested, such a person is called Utka Pallal Manke Kartas. It means he fell in water and is acting very lazy. So this guy is saying my phone is acting like it fell in water. But when it actually fell in water. The reason I chose to have another secondary phone is I very badly handle my phone. Now that you all know how I handled this one. So I did not want to use the iPhone as a primary phone.
Yeah, because you can't afford to throw iPhone
Oh
on
yeah,
the
right.
bucket of water.
Hey, iPhone is water resistance.
Then you will swim, not phone will swim.
My kidney will swim.
Okay guys, see this is the new phone
Yay, unboxing.
M34 5G.
This is M30. So we bought M34 because I didn't want to break my head. I am a Samsung person. So Samsung M34 5G. From now on, it's going to be unboxing of the new phone.
Yeah, Samsung family is here.
It's unboxing. Let's begin. We bought the phone from Amazon. Jeffrey Bezos.
ये में दी क्या?
उसी को अमीर बनाना है बस. तो ये जेफरी बेजोस भाई का है, मतलब वेबसाइट फ्रॉम Amazon, 1 day delivery. So within with 24 hours delivery, when they deliver it to you, you have to check the package. There is a seal. That seal should not be broken. If the seal is broken on that Amazon cover itself, then you can return it right away in that Amazon box, not this seal.
Yeah.
That seal in that Amazon box itself, if it's broken, return it right away there saying it's tampered. Then you have to give a pin. Only after seeing all that seal is intact, then give the pin, 6-digit pin, then OTP, and then accept the box. They don't give open box delivery like Flipkart. So that option we didn't have. Then we brought it to home.
Yeah, be careful, otherwise you will get an Irma Excel bar.
The step is this seal that the phone has here. There'll be not here. Here there'll be one seal. This seal here, and next seal is here. So this also should not be broken. So we broke it to see if there's a phone or not. So this should not be broken. And then open the phone and see. Open the cover and see if there's really a phone. So that you have to make sure. This seal and this seal.
Yeah, we have called a special guest.
Who dropped phone in water.
No, me.
Yeah. Oh, you are the special. Oh my God. Sorry.
तुम्हारा ही फोन है, तुम क्यों?
Oh, तुमको उसका इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे थे. वाह. हाँ.
Unboxing begins. So she has called a guest, not technical Guruji, but only Guruji.
Yay.
See, this is the phone. Beautiful phone, blue color. She didn't open it because she wanted to do a log. going to very technical details now. इसमें Instagram चलता है, WhatsApp चलता है, Facebook चलता है,
फोन चलता है,
कॉल चलता है, बस इतना एक दिन के लिए काफी है. ये तो कोई गेम खेल रही है.
तो डब्बे में कुछ नहीं है सिवाय फोन
now
के.
we get into some real.
No, there's nothing in the dabba except for phone. No charger also.
6 GB RAM, 128 GB memory. Basically, you can store 128 GB of data in this. You get three cameras which combine 50 MP.
You get 3 cameras, and this is a front camera.
Front camera is 13 MP, and battery is also big. It's 6000
mAh.
कितना
खर्चा हुआ?
The MRP written in this is that 24,500. बस बेजोस भाई ने अभी ग्रेट डिस्काउंट दिया.
फोन मत डाल देना नीचे.
10,000 डिस्काउंट दिया. It's 14,000, and it's 1 day delivery. It's got 3.5mm jack, I think, which is rare these days.
It has either 2 SIM slots or 1 memory card, 1 SIM slot.
काफी weight है, like little bit than your previous phone. देखो, this is shiny blue.
Shiny blue.
इसमें ये अच्छे फोटो खींच सकती है मेरी.
Let's switch on the phone. Oh, Samsung Galaxy. Secured by Knox. ये इस जन्म में ऑन होगा क्या?
2,000 years later.
This is the welcome screen. Welcome, start, blah blah blah. Now you have to log in. Now you press start. Add SIM, it says. Now you have to
license, end user license agreement. Let's पढ़ते हैं ना.
Yeah, right. Nobody reads it.
Yeah, everything is correct.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's very precise actually. It's very small.
Yeah, they must have written, we'll steal all your data and you have to agree to it. Agree to all we did. And say accept. Easy setup with another device. So it's asking you have another device, then it will automatically copy settings and everything.
Okay, it's loading.
106. We will connect to our Wi-Fi. After connecting to Wi-Fi, it's saying getting your phone ready. It will take some time. Also, it is charged. Around 60% charge is present. It took about 5 minutes, I think. After that, next step is copy apps and data.
You can click on next or you can skip it for time being.
If the time being, we'll say don't copy. And then again, it's loading, checking info.
For Google account, you can skip this also.
You can skip.
Skip
Everything is doing skip.
more.
Yeah, see,
Skip.
protect your phone. Again, loading.
One account, any device, just for you. Sign into Samsung account.
2000 years later, you are all set up.
After clicking many, I agree.
Now finish. Final finish. Oh, again it is loading. Something is happening. Ayyo, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಗಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರೆ. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿತಿಜಿ. ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬಡ್ಚು ಮಾರೆ. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಆತಿಜಿ ಒಂದು.
Skip this. Abba, finally finish.
UI has come, guys. Finally, UI has come. Now, oh, it's fast. Processor. Which processor is it?
Touch is smooth. It's very easy to. Touch is very smooth actually. You cannot feel any lag and all. So the processor is Equinox and
MediaTek processor.
yeah. Android is 13.0. The speed is 2.4 gigahertz.
Nice.
And it's an octa-core processor.
And then this was also present.
Okay, brightness was very low. Now you can check. I can set it to high for now. Now you can see clearly.
So many pre-installed apps
Netflix,
which you can
Spotify, Snapchat.
uninstall all of that. What was
Right.
this? So this is with which you open that thing with which you can open your SIM slot. This one, and also this had charging OTG cable only but no adapter. It's checking camera quality. Is it good?
Yeah, ऐसा ही दिख रहा.
Huh? What? Camera
Yeah.
quality is good. Nice phone, nice buy. Samsung's this M34 is a no shake camera, it seems. So it will have camera stability. So while clicking videos, it will not shake. I hope so. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed our backstory of how the phone, why we bought a phone and which phone we bought. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, what you got to do?
Click like,
Subscribe.
and subscribe.
Hit that like button and tell me all your thoughts in the comment section. And what else? Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.
Bye. Jai Shri Ram.